Hello and welcome to the Mac Observer's YouTube channel. I'm Charlotte Henry. Privacy played, of course, a big part in WWDC 2021, and mail privacy protection was one of the big features that was rolled out. It blocks invisible pixels that senders use to collect information about the user, things like if an email is opened. The new feature also masks a user's IP address, preventing it from being linked to any other online activity or being used to determine their location. In iOS 15, it can be turned on in either the Mail app or the Settings app. After a user installs iOS 15 and opens the Mail app for the first time, they are greeted with a message briefly explaining mail privacy protection and asking if they want to switch it on. Tapping the Protect Mail Activity option turns the feature on, hiding a user's IP address and privately loading all remote content. Mail privacy protection can also be turned on and off in the Settings app. Go to Settings, Mail, Privacy Protection, and there's a Protect Mail Activity option that can be toggled on and off. There are two options when Protect Mail Activity is set to off as well. Users can opt to hide IP address and or block all remote content. It's worth noting that this is all based on the first iOS 15 beta, so things could change in the final public release. Make sure you stay with themacobserver.com and subscribe to this channel for all the latest news and tips on it.